Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Python interpreter and location so the executable matches your runtime. Once done, create or activate a virtual environment to avoid dependency surprises. Install PyInstaller with pip and place your main script and any data files in a clean folder. Make sure relative imports work locally. This prevents missing module errors later. Now run a basic dry run command preparation in your head so you're ready to execute the build step next. You execute PyInstaller to bundle code and dependencies into one file. Use one file to simplify distribution and not console for GUI apps. If your app needs extra files, add them with add data and verify path separators for your OS. Using spec files lets you fine-tune inclusion. Once PyInstaller completes, inspect the dist folder and open logs to find any hidden imports or binary issues. If something is missing, edit the spec or use hidden import for modules that import dynamically, then rebuild. You finish by testing the produced executable on the target system that matches OS version and architecture. This prevents runtime DLL mismatch. If it fails, run the exe from a console to capture tracebacks or enable verbose logging in your app to see where it aborts. For native dependency issues, inspect with Dependency Walker or review PyInstaller, build warnings to locate missing DLLs or packages. One key tip: if something goes wrong, rebuild inside a clean virtualenv and add explicit hidden imports. This resolves most silent failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.